So here we go. We're all set up like we're on the Coraline, except we're on a chair, on Trivial Pursuit, and a pillow, and a ping pong table. And we're sliding out, and then we're sliding back. Just do the out and back. Pull those shoulder blades down, 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 nice and long. Good. And this is our Coraline low stretch on the ping pong table. Slide it out, keep the head back, and we can add rotation. So we're gonna push that right arm out past the left arm, staying long. This is Jen's hard side, but she's doing a great job now that we warmed it up. And then she's gonna come back to two arms and head back and long, long, long. And then we're gonna reach the left side and rotate left, and tummy reaching and head long, and go back to center. And keeping that head long and back, please. Slide those shoulders and come all the way back up. Coraline on the ping pong table.